right, there we go. All right. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Sit down. Hey, let's go. Take a picture with the buddy, Mr. Buddy. Or take a video with the Mr. Buddy.
I didn't see the
Hi, morning. Happy Easter. There's nobody. Mereka pilih-pilih. Hah?
Hi guys, welcome back.
Start again.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
Loud.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are gonna go check on the house.
The what?
The house.
Doll house?
No, our house. The house that's being built. Remember? Yeah. We're gonna check out the house.
Are you excited to see the new house being built?
Yes. But yes.
What about Elaine? Are you happy to see the new house? Eh?
Are you excited? Yeah.
Yeah, so hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Thank you for always coming back to watch our videos. And if this is the first time you are watching the videos, or if you are new here in the channel, please subscribe to our channel. So we are building a house, and today we want to go and see the progress and to go and see how far the building has gone. So we're just from church, and we would like to see how the progress has been going on. We believe that everything has been going on nicely. So we are on the road to see the construction process. So I hope that you're going to be keeping you updated. And if you want to continue seeing this series, please subscribe and bring us to 1,000 subscribers.
So it's the last video gonna be like the last video of the series is gonna be the house tour.
Yeah, the last video will be the new house tour. So if you want to keep up with the series, please keep watching our YouTube channel. So we have like this nice house we are planning to move into, and we are.
It's a 3-floor one.
Yeah, it's a big house.
Oh, so it has three stairs. Has 3 floors.
It has 3 floors, and it has stairs, so you can play on the stairs.
But the stairs are gonna be hard, not like the
stairs are going to have a carpet on it.
Is that like the sample house?
Yeah.
We're not gonna have the carpet.
So after this turn, we shall go to the traffic circle.
Wait, Dad, is the carpet? Wait, Dad, is the carpet not gonna be on the floor?
Carpet will be on the bedroom and on the stairs.
Yes. That's our house. Which one is ours?
So I think I'll park here.
Which one?
That's the construction place. So that's the construction place. That is the foundation, and that is our new house. So house number 2 is over here. So you can see the materials here. Foundation. So you've seen? Yes, yes, foundation. There's nothing.
Where is it?
Then it's his foundation. Foundation.
It's on your house right there.
Yeah, they're just starting to build.
Can we just go see it? Can we just go and see it?
See what? Oh, house is there.
Maybe that guy that we had the
So let's go back home.
You mean that guy that we had the preview with? I don't think his name is Ryan.
Brad is not there. Okay, so
Why is it going out there?
let's go back home.
Daddy, why is it going out
I don't know why they didn't come to me. So we thank you very much for watching the video, and please, if this is the first time, please subscribe to our channel, and until we meet next time, bye. Can you say bye, Angel?
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
See you next time.
See you later.